Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats Fit Pro in 3 exciting new colors. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for these, $200. Now these come in 4 classic colors: black, white, purple, and gray, and 3 vibrant, exciting new colors. You got coral pink, tidal blue, and my favorite, Volt yellow. Now, as far as the specs, they're exactly the same as the original Beats Fit Pro. So they're IPX4, sweat and water resistant. You got the Apple H1 chipset. These feature active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and adaptive EQ. You got spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. The battery life on these is 6 hours on a single charge with an additional 18 hours using a charging case. So that's a total of 24 hours. Now, they also feature fast charge. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. Now, these will work on any phone, Android or iOS. And my favorite feature about these earbuds, the fit. These have the ultimate fit. That's why, to this day, they're still my favorite earbuds for the gym. Now, I'm not going to waste your time doing a full review. I already did that for the original ones. Okay? I'll leave a link for that right here. But let's just recap what I said about these and my top 10 truly wireless earbuds when I was talking about my top 5 earbuds for the gym. Check this out. Now, number 1 on my list, we got another Beats product. So Beats got the top 3 on lock. The Beats Fit Pro. These are absolutely my favorite gym earbuds. They do have noise cancellation, and Beats nailed it with this design. Now, it looks similar. It may look similar to the wings on the JBLs, but the ergonomics on these, I don't know what they did in the design room, but these fit incredible and they do not move. Even when I'm sweating like crazy on the decline bench, they do not move. That's kind of why I retired my Powerbeats Pro, because now I'm getting noise cancellation with that same fit. No movement. So I'm getting the same, Snug Secure Fit, and now I'm getting noise cancellation, and these have my favorite physical button. I hate touch capacitive buttons because, sometimes when you touch it, you don't get the right swipes. With these clicks, you can never miss. So if you want to skip or reverse, no issues. These haven't had any issues with the charging case. Here you drop them in, charge right up. The light pops on. You see I've been using these. These are the best earbuds for the gym. And the price ain't too bad either. Okay, as of today, my opinion has not changed. I just came back from the gym and I use these every single workout. These are my favorite gym earbuds. They have the ultimate fit. They will not fall out of your ears. They sound great and you got active noise cancellation. All right, so let's check out the new color. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now I went with the Volt yellow. This is one of my favorite colors. Okay, I got the Nike Air Max 95s with the Volt. Okay, if you've seen my What's in My Gym Bag video, you've seen my Nike grips with the Volt. So now we got the Beats Fit Pro in Volt yellow. Okay, so let's read the little card, Beats Fit Pro. Okay, enhance your, let's see, let me put my glasses on real quick. Okay, enhance your performance in the gym and beyond with Beats Fit Pro in 3 new eye-catching colors. This pair has been especially selected for you to work out in worry-free, as the secure wingtip feature ensures the perfect fit. Envisioned as your go-to earbuds, the Beats Fit Pro are your ultimate extension of you. Okay, that's real nice. Pluck it and file it. Now, shout out to Beats. They sent me the little Volt yellow headband. Okay, so when you see my next Instagram post in the gym, I will be rocking this. Let's see, we got the Volt yellow box. Let's see, how do we open this one up? No unboxing knife necessary. Okay, okay, pops open just like that. Lock-in workout. Okay, now like I said, these have the best fit. You could do your 400 backflips in the gym. These are not going to fall out. Now let's see, do we need an unboxing knife for these? I don't think so. Let's get a little tab right here. Right. Oh boy, here we go again. One more. Let's do it slow. Right. Okay. Okay, now angle level's increasing. I'm going to have to take it to the John Wick Microtech. Right. Okay, so let's slide this out. Okay. All right, my bad. I was having a little rage episode. Okay, so these slide out just like this. Now here's your Volt Yellow on the box. Inside. Okay, check this out. Now, I got the classic black. This is what I rock every day. But now we got the Volt Yellow. Look at that. Now look how bright these are. Definitely bright and vibrant. Okay, let's go ahead and pop them out. Here's how the earbuds look. You got your left and right branding. Okay, my favorite clicky buttons. Okay, none of that touch capacitive shit. When you're in the gym, you want these nice clicky buttons. And of course, your wings. This is the best part about these earbuds. These wings, these are not gonna fall out of your ears. Trust me when I tell you that. That's why they're my favorite earbuds for the gym. Drop them back in the case. Bang, here it is. Now let me show you something real quick. Now, of course, inside the box, you got your USB Type-C charging cable. This is gonna be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You got your Beats Troll sticker in Volt Yellow. Okay, and of course, you're gonna have some different size ear tips. Okay, small, medium, and large. And the wings come pre-installed. Remember, these are all about the wings. Now let me grab some phones real quick and we'll pair these up. All right, so if you got an iPhone, here's how easy it is to pair these up. All you gotta do is open up the case. You're gonna get a pop-up. Then you just press that button for connect. And there it is, just like that. Now I want to show you how easy it is to connect to an Android phone. All right, so if you got an Android phone, you're going to download the Beats app. You're going to open this up. Open up your earbuds. Okay. Select the Beats Fit Pro shoes. Calm down, bro. You're going to hold down the button. Okay, it's going to start flashing. You're going to get this little prompt. Let's click on that. You see it says connected. And we'll wait for it to connect. And I'll show you how the app looks. Okay, we'll hit pair. And there it is. Now look at this. You got the Volt color on the app. You can cycle between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. It shows you a picture of your earbuds, the battery percentage for the earbuds and the case. You could rename them. You got your product features, automatic ear detection. Okay. You got your ear fit test, microphones, noise cancellation with one earbud. That's a dope little feature. And you can register your product. So these work perfectly fine with all of the features on iOS and Android. All right, so these are the Beats Fit Pro in 3 new colors. Easily my favorite earbuds for the gym. So if you're looking for earbuds to work out in and you're worried about earbuds that keep falling out of your ears, look no further. Go with the Beats Fit Pro. $200, worth every penny. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
generation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.